This Ring camera captured every homeowner's absolute worst nightmare.
Right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Somebody help me, please!
There, I'm gonna stay right there.
Can you help me, please? Go somewhere. I don't know where to go. Can you find something? No!
What would you do if this happened to you at 4 a.m.?